Ja, scheiß Diana hin.
Took a wrong turn, we're going to Budapest.
Richtung Prag.
In einem schwarzen Fotoalbum mit nem silbernen Knopf.
My name is Tuki Laumer, and this is my Polly postcard.
Sich jung und wild beim Block.
We're in Graz, Austria. It's famous for being a UNESCO World Heritage Site, as well as that thing.
War ich alle diese Bilder im Kopf.
It's the Schlossberg. What am I saying? That's not even the Schlossberg, it's the Schlossberg Tower. This is one of the few places that Napoleon's army couldn't defeat, though. It's kind of interesting. In fact, he tried 8 times to take this place. Failed.
Haare am Sack, aber die wachsen schon
So the freshest thing about Austria, other than the history, the culture, and the people, is the fact that when I was 15 and 16, this half Samoan lived here.
konserviert und archiviert, ich hab's gespeichert.
18 years ago to the day, I sat on this very spot over here. I saw one guy who I thought, that guy actually looks like a bit of an idiot. Turns out today he is now my best friend. This guy down here. Hello.
Yeah.
Käse haben.
Käse Semmer.
Being half Samoan, raised in New Zealand and Samoa, prepared me quite well for coming here, but it was quite an eye-opening experience.
That's how you want to start your day.
Molded me and changed the way that I saw the world. Best thing about Austria, super underrated, is the food. Breakfast of champions. God, that is so unhealthy. At home in the Pacific, we are so lucky because we are surrounded by sea. Here in Austria, they're landlocked. Trying to speak their language, weil ich immer so besoffen hier war. Trying to learn their culture, but also trying to maintain, my own culture. And so I think that has influenced the way that I look at the world now and the way that I approach people and approach different cultures. I could be better than that. I've taken all of those experiences that I learnt here as a kid and applied them to real life. So along with Samoa and New Zealand, I consider Austria home. That's been my Polly postcard. Schlechte.